Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to show you how to mark your own board wax. So what I normally use is this wood and oil wax for finishing off my chopping boards, tables, that sort of stuff for this. It's about 15-20 quid a box. So I've got myself some beeswax and I've lost it. Big bottle of mineral oil. We're going to shove it in a pan and we're going to see if this works. So first thing we do is we weigh our beeswax. We've got 4 wee blocks there, which is 75 grams. And Ahen seems to say 1 to 4 mix of this, so I need 75 times 4. My math skills are shocking. Let's go. 75 times 4. So we need 300 grams of mineral oil. And then we got to pour this without us going away. That'll be enough. Here we go. Big pot. Boil that kettle. I bought a cheap pan out of Asda because I was fearing I wrecked one of the wife's pans and she battered me. Right, so there's some food grade mineral spirit. I'm just going to lump some of this in. Wait till it heats up again. Somebody said you have to put this in little bits, or because it will do that. Oh shit. Shit! You can tell I never thought this bit through well enough, really. Oh my. Screw that. So now we're going to see what it looks like. Ooh, it's kind of soft. Just going to rub it in. Can do this with a cloth. I just want to get my hands on it. What it is, the mineral oil should soak into the board. So should some of the wax. Soak into the grain. Oh, that looks really cool. 'Cause it's the first time I've done the first coat this has ever gotten, I'm going to make sure absolutely clap it on.
Months later.
So it's been more than 6 months. And I can say the beeswax one, beeswax, hasn't went putrid, it's not went off, it's been sitting in a boiling hot room, really tried to make it as uncomfortable as I could, and it's came out fine, so it's good. I also made a vegan one, which is on this small board, they're a bit dirty, exact same, it's more than 6 months, that's still perfect as well. So now the big question is it worth it money wise? And yeah, it is. So it's worked out per 60ml tin of these. It comes to, for the normal, it's £2.10p over 60ml per one. I've got 7 tins. It's definitely worth it out of that. The vegan one, it was slightly more expensive. That came out at £2.30 a tin, but it's still worth it if you do all the maths on them. I made the vegan one the exact same way. It was a 4-to-1 mix. How you see me doing the beeswax, the exact same with the vegan. I used a weird wax, which I will put the name down here because I can't pronounce it. Yeah, definitely worthwhile. Thanks for checking the video out. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, maybe like it, subscribe it. It'd be awesome. Thank you very much, and bye.